When it's time to roll up your sleeves, grab a partner ready to pitch in. Meet the reloaded Polaris Ranger XP 1000 with a bold new look and enhanced protection. But it's not just about looks, it's about performance and grit too. Featuring an upgraded transmission for smooth, predictable shifting and an adjustable throttle to power the task at hand, Ranger XP 1000 rewards your ambition with responsive control. We've equipped it with more of everything that matters where the rubber meets work or play. Starting with the coverage and leverage you need to handle challenges head on. And as for getting in and out, it's a snap. Dialing comfort and control with Ranger XP 1000 North Star. Featuring total protection from the elements and in-cab climate control. There's Ride Command to guide the way and track the group. And a premium JBL sound system, so you have a soundtrack to the day. Ranger XP 1000 pulls its weight with 82 horsepower, a half-ton dump box, and 2,500 pounds towing capacity. With all the accessories you need to get the most out of your day. Designed and engineered for you to work and play hard. The new Ranger XP 1000 lineup is here to build you up every step of the way.